Hey guys, yours truly, Kevin Grace, the OGKG. Now, this weekend we're expecting a lot of snow. They're calling it again a snowmageddon situation, and people are out and about and getting food like they're going to be stuck in the house for weeks and weeks, and like it's COVID. Remember that? But I went to Walmart yesterday, and there was some food. But of course, you know, the milk was gone. I don't drink milk. It was basically almost gone, and there were still some eggs around, I guess because they're still expensive, who knows. And one lady had a whole bunch of toilet paper. I'm thinking, how much crapping are you going to do? And I'm wondering why people never keep this stuff on hand. But I've come to this White Marsh in, this Walmart in White Marsh. Yesterday I was in Cockeysville. So I didn't do any vlogging yesterday, so we're going to see what it looks like inside, what's there, and what the people are getting and everything else. Looks like they're preparing for like a Super Bowl party or whatever, but let's go check it out. Guy who's got, of course, the stereotypical staple. You got milk, he's got the eggs, and he's got water. Where's your toilet paper? No toilet paper?
Have enough.
Enough, all right. I was thinking a lot of people would keep that stuff on hand. Now you got the organic. There's probably a bunch of those around it. How much was that running? Like,
Well, I don't know, but also I will have something else.
huh?
I'm also giving these.
What's that?
That's is a book for everyday solutions.
Oh, okay.
If you're locked in, just read that every day. It's for this month.
Okay.
And it's called Healing to the Nation magazine.
Oh, okay.
It has some very good articles for healing.
Well, looks like this Walmart looks like it's pretty stocked pretty well. I went to get some spinach yesterday. They had no spinach except for a couple of bags of the baby spinach, but which is a little bit more than the regular spinach. But the one, like I said, in Cockeysville was like depleted of like the salads and stuff like that. This one is stocked pretty well. A lot of fruit around. I don't know if that's because people aren't eating fruit or exactly what. Yeah, this is sandwiches are in plentiful here. Well, it looks like a lot of the meat is gone. Let me see. I'll try to get some. Yeah, chicken breast strips. These are good to have. So this place has some. Let me get another. So it looks like plenty of meats. If people like meats, beef and chicken over there, poultry, they got pork. So this looks like it's well stocked over here. Well, it looks like they got plenty of tissue paper and paper towels and toilet paper. They got plenty of, unlike they did during the COVID time, but this store's stocked up pretty well. So if you guys need your supplies, you probably want to come out to the White Marsh Walmart. They have a lot of stuff at this location here. So let's see how much would they. Looks like they got a lot of eggs here. Maybe let's go check that out and see how much that guy paid for those organic eggs. You have these eggs over here. 18 of them for $2.92. I guess that's good. I don't know. And what we got over here? 60 eggs, $9.56. And the organic ones, $5.98. Cage free, $6.57. And I don't see the organic ones that guy had. Maybe it was this one, I don't know. $6.57, I guess. But anyway, there's eggs here if people need eggs. So, got the butter over there and all that stuff, so check it out. So they got this kind of milk. I don't know what the hell this is. What is this? Lac-Aid, whole milk, lactose free. That goes for $6.38. And then they got this, a half a gallon of it as well. I don't see the price for that, but it would be cheaper than the $6.38. Orange juice is pretty much tapped out. They still have some orange juice, hopefully like Tropicana. Got some things with Minute Maid, a half gallon of that. So it looks like they've got a lot of different milk here. The regular milk for a gallon is $2.32. They have the 2% milk and all that stuff. So they're stocked pretty well with milk at this location. So definitely check this out here. You got your creamer for your half and half for your coffee and all that stuff. They got that here as well. All right, it's not too crowded here. Checkouts aren't too bad. It's not like life and death. Maybe most people came yesterday, but it's not that crowded as far as the checkout. So but I always go to the express checkout, the self checkout, so, and it's not that long of a line, so that is a good thing. But yeah, if you need your supplies, come on out here to the Walmart in White Marsh. They just had a truck come through and treat the streets. They put some salt down, which is good. So you see that truck down there. He's been dropping some of this salt here. So when stuff happens later tonight, it won't be too bad for tomorrow, maybe. But like I said, this is the best Walmart to come to. The Walmart in White Marsh is pretty supplied with everything that you may need.